All right, so let's say if we assign direction equal to 3, we should say, it should say go right. So here we go, it says go right. But to someone who isn't familiar with what you're coding, it may seem a little odd to just have 1, 2, 3 as your directions. And then, maybe here we can just actually specify it, making sure that direction is equal to 4. That way we don't run into any issues. But it would make it a lot easier for someone to understand your code if these 4 numbers can be assigned to an actual direction that we can declare as a type. So that's where enums come in. So enums, they are a value type, and they are used to declare a list of constant integers. So things that will not change throughout the code, regardless of, little changes within the code. So these will not change. So an example of this would be days of the week. So example days of the week. So these will not change. We can declare an enum called days. And we can just assign them each to a number if we would like. Otherwise, they'll be defaulted from 0 to 6. So let's say Monday, Tuesday, and pretty much so on. These will be assigned to 0, 1, and then so on. But this is pretty much, we pretty much created a type here called day. And we can reference day down here by just calling, pretty much initiating a day. But for now, let's create something called direction for us. So since we're using a direction, let's create an enum for a direction. And these will include left, up, right, and down. Notice these are separated by a comma. We could assign these to an integer if we wanted to. We could say this is 1. We could even say this is 100. And there are multiple ways of initiating this. So let me make a comment. So if left like this, if the first item, so if left has this as first item, it will be assigned to 0. And then everything else will follow. If left, let's say left with left equals to 1, up equal to 2, then that's what they are assigned. They can be each assigned to their own value, and they don't have to be following each other. So we could do whatever, pretty much. And then finally,